Hi, this is Drew with Daniels Ag Services with your morning report. Markets finished up mixed yesterday. You had corn and beans higher on the day while wheat was slightly lower. All currently lower to start the day so far this morning. It is WASD Day. We're going to get some first looks at a 2014-2015 ending stock numbers. So without further ado, let's grab the whiteboard and take a look at the estimates. All right, so get up here close. All right, so we're going to look at the U.S. 2013-2014 ending stock estimates first. Corn's expected to come in slightly lower than April, 1.314 billion bushels. Beans, 1 million bushels lower than the April estimate at 134 million bushels. And then wheat is expected to come in at 590 million bushels, and that's slightly higher than April. Now the 2014-15 estimates, we don't have anything to compare these to. This is the first round of data we're getting, so a lot of people in the trade are excited to see what some are expecting there. The average estimate for 2014-2015 ending stocks is 1.672 billion bushels for corn, 307 million bushels for beans, and 553 million bushels for wheat. Now, as far as global ending stocks go for 2013-2014, expected to shrink a little bit from April in corn, expected to come in at 157.31 million metric tons. As far as beans go, expected to rise a little bit from April, expected to come in at 69.77 million metric tons. And then wheat expected to come down a little bit from April at 185.95 million metric tons. And global ending stocks for 2014-2015 coming at 159.41 million metric tons, beans 80.34 million metric tons, and wheat 184.53 million metric tons. So we don't have anything to compare the 2014-2015 numbers to right now, as it is the first go around of what the trade is expecting and what the U.S. is going, or the USDA is going to give us. So a lot of people are looking forward to that, seeing how it comes out at 11 o'clock this morning Central. We'll have a post-report Wilkins Ag Wire for you to go over. Also, as mentioned yesterday, head over to the Grain Analyst website. Check out the USDA real-time analysis. It's a great tool. Simply click refresh after 11 o'clock in the morning. It'll show you all the U.S. figures. It doesn't have the global figures yet, but it does have the U.S. figures. It'll show you the changes for the 2013-2014 figures. Obviously, we won't have any changes for 2014-2015, as mentioned, first round of data there. But make sure and check that out. And then if you want the full tables, check out the Wilkins Ag Wire email. I'll have them in there, and they'll also be on the daily report under Grain Analyst as well. So that's all we've got for this morning. We'll see you this afternoon with a post-WASD update.
This material is conveyed as a solicitation for entering into a derivatives transaction. This material has been prepared by a Daniels Ag Services broker who provides research, market commentary, and trade recommendations as part of his or her solicitation for accounts and solicitation for trades. Daniels Ag Services, its principals, brokers, and employees may trade in derivatives for their own accounts or for the accounts of others. Due to various factors, such as risk tolerance, margin requirements, trading objectives, short-term versus long-term strategies, technical versus fundamental market analysis, and other factors, such trading may result in the initiation or liquidation of positions that are different from or contrary to the opinions and recommendations contained therein. Past performance is not necessarily indicative of future performance. The risk of loss in trading futures contracts or commodity options can be substantial, and therefore, investors should understand the risks involved in taking leveraged positions and must assume responsibility for the risks associated with such investments and for their results. You should carefully consider whether such trading is suitable for you in light of your circumstances and financial resources. You should read the risk disclosure accessed at www.danielsagservices.com. Daniels Ag Services is not affiliated with, nor does it endorse any trading system, newsletter, or similar service. Daniels Ag Services does not guarantee or verify any performance claims made by such systems or services.